In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Ifixit discount promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Ifixit discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called Simply Codes, and as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this one with 10% discount right here. All you need to do is just select the button where it says view code. And this is the promo code right here that you can copy very easily using this button. And you can apply this one on your next order so that you can get a 10% discount. Also, going back to the main search right here, we have another website which is called WordPenny. And right here, as you can see, we have a list with other promo codes and deals that you can use to get some benefits. So, for example, if you want to get, let's say, this one with 5% discount of your entire purchase right here, all you need to do is just select the button where it says show code. And right here, this is the promo code. So you can simply tap on this button to copy the promo code. And you can use this one so that you can get a 5% discount of your next purchase. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.